Female periodical cicadas use saber-like ovipositors to cut slits in the bark of small branches. These slits are called egg nests. Watch as the female cicada moves her ovipositor in and out of an egg nest where she deposits 20 to 30 eggs. She creates dozens of egg nests, which line small branches throughout the canopy of trees she visits. In some cases, weakened branches break and leaves die, creating so-called flags hanging throughout the crown of cicada-laden trees. Young saplings and recently transplanted trees growing rapidly in the open are often the ones most heavily damaged by periodical cicadas.